Hello from Jutnabben's Badplats. Actually, I'm on the Jutnabben's Brygga, the jetty, but it's all connected together as there is also a sandy beach that you have seen at the beginning of this video. And here it is actually where the Öland Bridge starts. Actually, you can see the cars that are going back and from Öland, the second largest island in Sweden after Gotland, where I'm also heading to tomorrow. But today I'm in Kalmar and it's day 2 of my vacation, as I call it, Sweden vacation, that I'm gonna be for 11 days. I'm starting off with 3 days in Kalmar and then I'm gonna be 8 days in Öland, more specifically in Böda, the most magical place that people have described it to me. I have only been to Gotland from the islands, from the main island, from the bigger islands. I have been obviously to many islands in Stockholm archipelago. Sweden is the country with the most islands in the world. It is over 260,000 islands. That's crazy. That's even more than Thailand, that's even more than Greece. So Sweden is definitely a leader on the islands market. This one over here, it's approximately 3 kilometers away from the central Kalmar. It's a nice beach. It's a nice beach. The traffic from the bridge, it's a bit downside for me, but yeah. And here I have put also a flying bird. I guess to scare off the some of the birds, so that we can have a clean jetty over here. And yes, it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the water it's 18 degrees Celsius over here. It was 20 at the first beach I visited earlier, but that was more closed surface. We are here on more open sea, the open Baltic Sea. So ready, set, and go for the beach adventure for today. So there are 2 entrances into the water, and you can see that this one is being maintained by Kalmar municipality. Yes. And we can see Öland there in the distance, because the bridge is only 6 kilometers between the Sweden's mainland and Öland. Alright, time for the second beach adventure for today, and the 5th so far in Kalmar. Let's see how many I will have time with, as tomorrow I'm heading to Öland. And tomorrow is Midsummer Eve, the biggest celebration, the biggest holiday in Sweden. Well, together with Christmas, I would say. But yeah, that means that tomorrow is gonna be, actually tonight, 20th of June, is gonna be the longest day of the year. So probably it's gonna be only dark for like 1 hour, but it's not even that dark. You can see also how bright it is right now, which is amazing, and that's what I love about summer indeed. All right, let's then go out for a swim. Amazing. I just love taking a swim in the sea. It's the best there is, indeed. It's so nice and refreshing. And yeah, there is something about the sea that makes it a lot better than the lakes, if you ask me. It's more natural, how to say. Cool. Alright, then that's a wrap from Jutnabben's Badplats. Let me just show you around what I see from my perspective before we wrap up. And as I mentioned, there is also a sandy beach also to enjoy as well. Cool! Greetings from Jutnabben in Kalmar. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!